There's a great island worth exploring from San Francisco, and no, her name is not Alcatraz. There's another natural island in the bay. It's way less touristy, it's larger, it's way more open, and it's quite the photographer paradise, hence an episode about Angel Island State Park on Photowalkers TV. Now, this island is directly across the bay. It has hiking trails galore, a fabulous lookout at nearby Tiburon and the Golden Gate Bridge, and to get there, you can only arrive by boat or ferry. So there's been a lot of concern about camera thefts in the San Francisco Bay Area. Those are in places where you can drive and make a getaway. On an island, not so much. Service leaves from the ferry building in San Francisco or in Tiburon, the little coastal town that's next door to Sausalito. Once on the island, you will see a lot of history. Angel Island was an immigration station from 1910 to 1940, and you can read up about its sordid history while on the island. During World War II, Japanese and Germans, among many, were interned on the island. And speaking of history, the island even goes back to the Civil War times when there were fears of Confederates coming to California and attacking, so the island became a battle station. What to do on the island today? Well, how about walking, biking, exploring, and having fun with your camera, both documenting the natural beauty and the sights from the city skyline on the ferry to the Golden Gate Bridge view. Ferry service to Angel Island runs 7 days a week, a handful of times a day. For exact fare and the schedule, check goldengate.org.